You've been growing the wrong fruit, not because you're a bad gardener, because no one told you there was a better option. The system hid it. The mainstream gardening industry doesn't want you to know about these fruits. They don't ship. They don't fit the commercial model. They are useless to them. But in your backyard, they are absolute champions. Easier to grow, higher yields, more nutrients, more flavor, more resilience. This is the garden they fear. The commercial food system is built on transportability, not nutrition. It's a failure. We've traded our health for a longer shelf life. We've traded sovereignty for convenience. Most of these have been eaten by humans for thousands of years, real history. These are the true ancient superfoods, the forgotten genetics that we must reclaim. I'm going to show you 12 forgotten fruits that will change everything. Strategy starts now. How you grow, how you eat, how you survive. Let's look at the first champion. Number 1, the Hardy Kiwi. It looks like a grape. It eats like candy, no joke. The flavor is an explosion of sweetness and tang. It's the ultimate backyard snack. And it laughs at winter. Hardy Kiwi is everything the commercial kiwi wishes it could be. Forget the fuzz, forget the peeling. This is the superior evolution of the fruit. You pop them whole into your mouth, no waste, and they're hardy to -25. While other crops die, this vine waits for spring. It's a true survivalist engine. Grapes struggle with mildew and beetles. They are weak. They require constant sprays. Hardy Kiwi ignores the pests. It produces without the drama. It's built for your backyard. By year 3, a single plant can give you 100 pounds of fruit. Total abundance. 100 pounds from one plant. That's unmatched in the commercial world. Pure efficiency. Nutritionally, they carry 5 times the vitamin C of an orange. Think about that. This is nature's multivitamin, growing right on your fence. No pharmacy required. They bruise too easily to survive commercial shipping. That's why you can't buy them. Grow what the system can't sell. That's how you beat the industrial food complex. Number 2, Black Raspberries. Most garden centers push red. Don't be fooled. Red is fine for the hobbyist, but you're looking for gold. You need the black color. Black raspberries look like regular raspberries, but they're firmer, richer, and superior. The flavor is deep, almost wine-like. It's a culinary experience the red ones can't touch. Red varieties are prone to blight. They fall apart. They are weak genetics for the yard. A good cane might give you a pint a season, if you're lucky. That's not a harvest. A mature black raspberry plant delivers double the yield. It's built for the long haul. The berries survive the walk to the kitchen. They are firm. They are professional. They contain anthocyanins higher than blueberries. They are being researched for anti-cancer. Real medicine growing in the dirt. It beats the commercial berry on every metric. They're drought tolerant. They handle heat. They are the tactical choice for the grower. Birds leave them alone because they blend into the shade. They are hidden abundance. Number 3, the pawpaw. Imagine a custard made of mango and banana in your forest. It's a tropical explosion in a temperate zone, the ultimate secret of the North. This is North America's largest native fruit. It looks tropical, but it's cold hardy. Hardy to -20. It's a hidden jungle waiting in your backyard. Reclaim it. The texture is pure custard. The flavor is a masterpiece. You will never find it in a store. The system can't handle it. It's too delicate for their trucks, too real for their shelves. It has a 3-day shelf life. For a store, that's death. For a grower, it's a prize. Time is the enemy of the system, but it's the friend of the self-sufficient. Wait for it. It grows in the shade. It's the perfect understory plant for a food forest. No sprays. It needs no chemicals, just the right environment, pure resilience, pure food. Number 4, sea buckthorn. The flavor is confrontational. Orange versus pineapple. Your face will react. It's a wake-up call for the senses, but the nutrition is unmatched. If nutrition is your goal, this is it. It's in a category of its own. Vitamin C King. More vitamin C than citrus. More power than any commercial supplement you can buy. It's a plant-based source of omega-7. This is what skincare companies synthesis. You grow it for free in your yard. Your own medicine chest. Your own beauty aid. It's cold hardy to -40. It fixes nitrogen, improving the ground for others. It grows in poor soil. It needs no irrigation once established. It's a survivor. Period. Number 5, the gummy berry. They look like small cherry tomatoes, but they're more. They are a nitrogen-fixing powerhouse for your soil. They are the engine of growth. They have silver scales on the skin, sweet, tart, and loaded with lycopene, pure health. More lycopene than tomatoes, more resilience than any garden vegetable you know. They grow into a dense, productive hedge. They feed themselves and their neighbors. No fertilizer required. Ever. They are the ultimate low-maintenance survival crop. They don't care about soil quality. They handle drought. They handle shade. Strategy. The ultimate set-it-and-forget-it fruit. Set your garden up for success, automatically. Number 6. The Saskatoon berry. Blueberries are high maintenance. Skip the drama. Blueberries demand acidic soil and constant fussing, and the birds take them all anyway. The Saskatoon looks like a blueberry but grows in any soil, clay, sand, loam, tough. Native to North America, already adapted to your local conditions. It wants to grow. A mature bush yields 10 to 20 pounds. Cold hardy to -50. It's the real winner. It's the blueberry for people who actually want to harvest fruit, not just fight for it. More fiber, more iron, similar antioxidants. You can share with the birds and win. Abundance is your security. Grow the berry that works for you, not against you. Strategy. Number 7. Sour cherries. Sweet cherries need 20-foot ladders and netting. Danger. Sour cherries stay small, 10 to 12 feet, easy to net, easy to harvest, accessibility. And they contain melatonin. Real science shows tart cherry juice improves sleep quality. You can grow a tree that helps you sleep. That's real power. That's true wellness. You will never find fresh sour cherries in a grocery store. They don't ship, ever. They are too fragile for the industrial machine. Growing your own is the only way. Nutritionally, they destroy sweet cherries. Higher vitamin C, more antioxidants, real food. Compounds for arthritis and gout relief. Plant one tree, change your life. Today. Number 8. Honeyberries. Native to Siberia. Cold hardy to -55. Invincible. They bloom so early that late frosts rarely touch them. They are built for the cold. They fruit in June, when nothing else is ripe. You're eating berries while others wait. While your neighbors wait for strawberry flowers, you are already harvesting. Advantage. They taste like a cross between blueberry and raspberry. More antioxidants, more power, more vitamin C than oranges. Off-the-charts nutrition. A strategic win for the garden. Minimal pruning, no pests, birds barely touch them. They fruit early, smart strategy. They fruit before the birds even figure out what's there. A low-drama, high-yield crop. Number 9. The medlar. This was a Victorian staple that the world forgot. Why? Because it looks weird, but the flavor is hidden luxury, a prize for those who know. You have to blet them. You let them half rot after the first frost. Winter gold. Frost is the key, the trigger for the transformation. From weird fruit to pure luxury. The texture becomes soft, like jam in the skin. The flavor is deep and complex, rare, unlike any modern fruit. A forgotten prize, a conversation starter in your own yard. The trees are beautiful, twisted branches, large white flowers, a striking ornamental. It provides gourmet food in the heart of November. Resilience is year-round. Plan for it. Number 10. Goji berries. You usually buy them dried, but fresh is the only way. $10 a bag in the store, but you should be growing them for pennies. Fresh. Fresh gojis are sweet, juicy, and packed with antioxidants, and they grow like a weed. Invincible genetics. Once they take root, they are impossible to kill. True security. They are incredibly hardy, heat-tolerant, drought-tolerant. They belong in your plan. They handle the extremes the modern climate is throwing at us. Be prepared. Grow goji. They produce from summer until the first hard frost. Pounds of nutritional gold. Strategy. For the cost of a single seedling. A strategic investment in your family's health. Done. Number 11. Elderberries. The medicine chest of the forest. Syrup starts here. Everyone buys the syrup during flu season, but you can grow the source. Start now. 2 harvests. Flowers for cordial, berries for syrup. An immune-boosting powerhouse. Nature's medicine growing right in front of you. Reclaim the knowledge. Reclaim health. They grow 3 feet a year. They don't care about wet soil or shade. No fail. Resilience. They are built for speed. They fill the space. They provide. Every single year. Predictable. Don't eat them raw. Cook them. Turn them into your own health insurance. Control. Take back control of your family's health. One bush at a time. It starts in the dirt. Today. Number 12. Aronia. Also known as chokeberry. Raw is astringent. But processed? Gold. The highest antioxidant berry on the planet. Pure pharmaceutical-grade nutrition. Growing. Highest ORAC score. Over 16,000 units. Blueberries have 4,600. It's not even close. Power. Juice them. Drink it every morning. Join the resilience. This is the realist. Rex. But growing these isn't just about planting seeds. It's about the system. Soil, water, life. Commercial farming kills the soil. Permaculture feeds it. These plants need the fungal web. Stop digging. Start mulching. Mimic the forest floor. When you build the soil, life follows. Layer your garden. Canopy, understory, ground cover. Diversity is your defense against failure. 12 fruits, one system, more productive and more nutritious than anything they push. Now, every one of these plants is an investment in your resilience. Go plant something forgotten. Rex.